So we have a very special guest with us, UPSC candidate Kartikeyan. We will take his interview. We will ask him about his preparation strategies. So, sir, how many times you attempt UPSC?
This is my sixth attempt.
Okay.
Third means first interview.
So, what kind of mistakes you make in your previous attempt and you learn from them?
Make corrections on my mistake what I did in earlier attempts. That's it for attempts. But at least make students prepare all your answers before the December. That is means your answer. After December, that is first starting of January, you concentrate only in the prelims. After that, you can read your optional. So that better you can make a full notes about your optional subject. Another one important point, when you read or study about the prelims, at least you make notes very core subject, history, polity, geography, economics, environmental. These are the 5 core subjects which will time consume during your mains preparation. So that when you prepare from Jan to May end, that is up to the prelims, you make notes for that mains also. Before December, you should complete your optional preparation. After that, when you read for 5 months, that is a prelims preparation, compulsory you make notes about that is in the mains angle, because that's all the time time consuming during your mains preparations.
So, your optional subject?
Tamil literature.
Okay, so why you choose Tamil literature?
Yes, I am come from Tamil, but my degree is BTech IT. My college degree is not available in optional in the list of papers provided by the UPSC. But I have some comfort with my literature, Tamil literature, so that I choose that subject.
Answer writing is very important in mains examination. So, how you improve your answer writing skills?
I think you can't make any answer writing practice during mains preparation level, but have some structure in your mind. If you try to give answer to any question in a UPSC mains answer, you have some way of presentation any questions, whether in history or in geography or in polity. I think some kind of variation questions. You can't make all the questions preparation in UPSC. To make notes, clear-cut notes. So that was, when you read exam books, have some mind or a structured answer. If this question will ask in mains exam, what way you present? That mindset you read any questions or any topic, either in a newspaper, or in current affairs, or in an optional subject, or your core GS subject. Because you have not any way of presentation success in the UPSC. Every candidate differ from others. So, what way you try to present in your answer sheet will be better. But that take time only during your preparation. After preparation, you can't change your form of presentation. So, when you read any topic, just remind that question. If they ask in UPSC exam, mains exam, what way you present? That way make your notes or make in your mind. That is important.
Sir, current affairs is a wide topic in your UPSC. So, how you cover current affairs?
Yes, it is a very tough task to cover all the topics. Have some intelligent guess. Because you can't read, after this prelims result, you can't read all the current affairs. You concentrate on essay, ethics, GS, optional, you have some pressure, but come judicious guess. This kind of questions will ask in, suppose very core issues. Last time they asked about one nation, one election. It was a 14 mains. Another one is some kind of questions. If you give much importance to the current affairs, you can't concentrate on other topics. Their weightage will be some kind of not much in mains answer. They will ask some question from current affairs, but not much importance to the current affairs. If the polity questions, they give weightage to 120 marks, they will give 10 marks, 1 or 2 questions, 15 marks, 1 or 2 questions. There is one question, maybe 1 or 2 questions. So current affairs will make, but I already said that. If you have finished your optional subject before December, You have much time to concentrate on the current affairs. If you did your core options, core GS subject, history, polity, geography, economics, environmental, if you make notes during your prelims itself, you have plenty of time to study the current affairs during your after result of prelims, which will help you more comfortness. If you read more current affairs, it gives more comfortness to you during your exam. They ask you any questions, you are ready to answer. If not, if you are ready to do selective topics, you may uncomfortable when you enter the exam hall. Suppose they ask what you read, it's super. I always did a smart guess because I already work in government service, assistant conservator of forest. Not much time to study preparing, but I have some smart guess. They ask, we tried in a smart way. Prepare before December full. That is paper 1 and paper 2. That is your options are compulsory. If you make service in one attempt or another attempt, that is a particular attempt, you will compulsory finish your options before December itself. Second thing, compulsory you would make notes for like history, polity, geography, economics during your prelims preparations. After that, you have plenty of time. 90, that is more than 90 days like you for mains preparation. You concentrate on the essay, read your ethics paper, already you start current affairs preparation. 90 days is more than enough. But I think this exam will not give a short period. Anyone can prepare this exam. Will have minimum 12 months preparation before prelims itself, so that you feel comfort in prelims. That is during your mains preparation. That is 90 days. After that, you take rest in the house. After mains, I think it will be over in September 30th. It's over. But you can make minimum 12 months after plus 3 months, 15 months. Compulsory with serious nature. But from starting itself, always sincere to your schedule and your topics. Make notes at least. Then only you can easily revise your what you studied in the last 15 years, 15 months. Make notes. That's very important. You may not take notes for current affairs because current affairs is huge. Institute, all of the institute, you cannot mention any specific institute. They give plenty of current affairs. You can select wherever you like, whatever it's.
So, during your preparation, how you manage your job and UPSC preparation?
I am already working in government, state government service, assistant conservator of forest. There is a state service of IFS service. I prepare myself with along with my job.
What kind of preparation tips you want to give to new UPSC aspirants?
I did blunder mistake. I can't attach with any institute. All my prelims, mains, interview also I can't attach with any institute. This is my blunder mistake. Please attach with at least for a CSERT exam. GS will comfort with you because you read much, can't predict much. But CSERT is very crucial to anyone candidate to clear the prelims. If you can't clear the CSERT, you will not face to the mains. It's very difficult to face during exam itself. Please at least make one exam called strategy for CSERT alone. It will make you very difficult, make you some kind of, I can't use correct word to say, but it will make you fall in the exam call. That is a CSERT alone. Someone questions not you know, the time is spent also, but carry forward to another question. This sum is carry forward to you. Please concentrate on CSERT, especially maths. You have very well in reading comprehension. It will help you because this time I cleared with supportive of reading comprehension. Because I expected, I think 25 questions reading comprehension, 2 questions maths. I got only correct 15 questions. With support of a reading comprehension, I cleared this paper prelims.